Congratulations and welcome to the Exit Ramp by Multiple Club. I am so excited that you decided to invest in yourself. Over the next few weeks, we're going to take a deep dive into your business and into your life. Welcome to the private community. This is where all the communication will take place. If you haven't done so already, please download the workplace chat and make sure that you have access to the daily communication, accountability check-ins, and our Core 4 bot. You might be wondering, what is Core 4? Well, you're going to learn that in a subsequent video, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. I just want to tell you from the bottom of my heart how grateful I am that you're going to be here. It was a community just like this that helped me scale my life and business at the same time. It's how I met wonderful, amazing entrepreneurs that were building big things, and arguably, that's what you're in store for as well. So spend some time and get familiar with this community platform where we've uploaded some videos from past events and topics that are extremely relevant to what we'll be discussing at our live event. We also have some bonus features coming and super excited to deliver those to you. We encourage you to share. We encourage you to be vulnerable. We encourage you to be open, because the deeper you go here, the faster we'll all move when we're together in person. You're going to learn our REV model, R-E-V, Revenue EBITDA Valuation, and how you can supercharge your business over the next 30 days leading up to the event and beyond. You're also going to learn what BBAs are and how important they are for you to build a solid foundation to scale your life and business. You're also going to be joining us on roster calls every week where we have specific topics that are going to accelerate the time that we spend together live and in person. Also, by the time we're done with this, you'll understand the exact phase of business you're in and what you need to do to get to the next level. This won't be easy, but I promise you it will be worth it. And whatever you put into this experience is what you're going to get out of it. And by the way, we are investors. We're actively looking for the right entrepreneur to invest in. And this is our way to experience you as the entrepreneur and see how you show up. So I hope you don't take this lightly. You made a substantial investment of your money, and now it's time to make the most important investment, your time. And both of those are going into you. And arguably, the more time and the more money you invest into yourself, the bigger your business will become. So welcome to the Exit Ramp. Let's get ready to rev up.